ट्रैवलिंग का बड़ा शौक है। अब इस फिल्म में क्योंकि ये इंडिया के बाहर नहीं जा सके हम लोग, क्योंकि
Can we have on stage Mr. Amar Butala? He's the co-producer of Jangi Bhaijaan, and he's also the COO of Salman Khan Films. A really nice man. And Mr. Nandu Ahuja from Eros International. He's the Senior Vice President of India Theatrical. Here he is. Alright, so something tells me that जब तक ये photo op नहीं होगी तब तक आप कुछ सुनेंगे नहीं मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ तो okay. So we will be opening the floor open, to you guys for questioning as well. But there are a couple of questions which I think मैं ही पूछ लूँ तो better है उनसे आपको अंदाजा हो जाएगा what Bajrangi Bhaijaan and its making was all about. Kareena, I'll start with you first. आप पवन की रसिका हैं कि इस फिल्म में जैसे कि सलमान ने बोला he's been your admirer for 15 years. It's the first Salman Khan Films home production and you're its very first heroine. How does that feel? And how was it playing Rasika?
There are quite a few firsts, especially when it comes to Salman. The first man who saw me in a night dress also was Salman Khan when I was 9 years old. Now, plus the fact that I think that when Atul and Baby became a producer for the first time, I was in their first film in Bodyguard. When Arbaz became a director for the first time, I was in Dabang 2 in Fevicol. And now Salman becomes a producer for the first time. I'm his Rasika in the film. And of course, I'm working with Kabir for the first time.
That's right. So there are many, many firsts. How has it been playing, Rasika? It's a character which has a lot of layers and, she's
it's a special character. We've tried to keep it as real and very unlike, I think, a typical Hindi film heroine. Because as you know, Kabir is very, very real as a director. I mean, if you try to wear extra jewelry or a little more accessories, he's like, you're too overdressed for the scene. So I think that we've tried to keep it as real. And I'm really happy and excited about the entire film and to be part of the entire film.
Great. There's a whole lot of fan base out there which is just waiting for your, the trailer to come out so they can see your look in the film and what you're doing in the film, and they finally got to see it. Kabir, a little bit of an introduction to... क्यों हंस रहे हैं आप लोग मेरे पे? This is ridiculous. मैं दोबारा नहीं करूँगी ये. मैं कभी भी पूछती हूँ उनसे कुछ, आप हंसते हैं. कबीर, इससे पहले कि मैं बाकी थोड़ी serious questions पूछूं, आप why don't you tell everyone about I've often heard Kabir say at home that Bajrangi Bhaijaan is the kind of cinema that he's always wanted to make. It's his true expression of a filmmaker. I know it's true, but can you tell them how?
I mean, there are lots of reasons for it. One is, of course, it's an incredibly warm story about human relationships, but it's set against a very larger-than-life backdrop, and that's the kind of cinema I've always wanted to, that's the kind of cinema I like watching, and I obviously love making, where there's a nice, intimate, warm human relationship story, but set against this very energetic backdrop. And it's also the issue, the politics of the film, the way people behave is something that is very close to my heart and very close to Salman's heart. And that's the reason why I think Bajrangi is the kind of film that we really are really excited to make.
Salman, ये सब जानते हैं that you are not, one just saw in the trailer, there are multiple locations and there are deserts and there are mountains and there are rivers and there's like every possible topographical change in the film. ये सब जानते हैं कि आप, you like to shoot around, Bombay, Karjat, Panvel.
But he likes to shoot all over the world.
So आप फंस गए basically.
पिछली बार दुनिया के हर कोने के अंदर लेके गए थे. पहले ये डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर हुआ करते थे ना, तो इनको ट्रैवलिंग का बड़ा शौक है. अब इस फिल्म में क्योंकि ये इंडिया के बाहर नहीं जा सके हम लोग, क्योंकि इंडिया बेस्ड फिल्म है, एंड ही इज अ वेरी रियलिस्टिक फिल्म मेकर, तो इन्होंने हमको पूरा देश दिखाया है इस बार. पूरा देश दिखाया, और देश के भी मतलब कि एकदम अंदर लेके गए हमको. It was a great experience.
But you did it, and you did it so like आप पहाड़ भी चढ़े, आप नदी में भी कूदे, and you walked through desert. So आपकी क्या मतलब, what were you thinking inside? गालियाँ दे रहे थे?
मेरा कार्डियो अच्छा हो गया.
Right. what has been the process of going through, the character of Pawan is very close to you, जैसे कि कबीर ने कहा, it's very similar to what you are in real life. Did you, आपकी कोई internal
I
discoveries भी
think
हुई as the film?
जब हमने फर्स्ट टाइम ये स्क्रिप्ट सुनी थी, तो एक वो ग्रीड आता है ना कि ये फिल्म किसी और के पास नहीं जाना चाहिए. There is such a beautiful story told कि I don't think that anyone would have been able to tell the story better than Kabir and me.
चलिए.
So for you guys, I mean, कोई और बना लेता, बकवास बनती पिक्चर, चलती पिक्चर. लेकिन we thought के एक एहसान कर देते हैं.